Did you know you can make a clean, neutral vodka using nothing but white sugar, water, and yeast? In today's video, I'll show you the full process, step by step, from fermentation to distillation, and how to end up with about 5 liters of smooth vodka at 40% alcohol. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Shon's Homemade Drinks. If you're interested in learning the science and techniques behind homemade spirits, fermentation and distillation, you're in the right place. This video is a complete educational guide on how simple vodka can be made from white sugar, using proper fermentation and distillation methods. Before we begin, a quick and important disclaimer. Alcohol consumption can be harmful to your health. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. Distillation laws vary by country. Always follow your local laws and regulations. Do not drink irresponsibly and never operate equipment unsafely. This recipe is designed to produce approximately 5 liters of vodka at 40 to 42% alcohol by volume. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 6 kilograms of white sugar, 18 liters of water, citric acid or fresh lemon juice for pH adjustment, 40 grams of distiller's yeast or high alcohol yeast, yeast, nutrients, DP or complete nutrient blend. You'll also need a fermentation container with an airtight lid, an airlock, a pH meter, optional, a hydrometer or refractometer, a distillation still, an alcohol meter, several small containers for collecting distillate. Because we are fermenting pure white sugar, choosing the right yeast and proper nutrients is extremely important. Sugar alone does not contain the vitamins and minerals yeast needs to stay healthy. For this recipe, you want a yeast that can handle clean fermentation and higher alcohol levels. The best options are distiller's yeast, turbo-free, or clean distiller yeast. This type of yeast is specifically designed for sugar washes and produces a very neutral alcohol. High alcohol tolerance yeast, 14–18% ABV. Look for yeasts that can comfortably reach at least 14% alcohol without producing strong off flavors. Neutral profile yeast. Avoid yeasts designed for rum or whiskey, as they create flavor compounds we don't want in vodka. In this recipe, about 40 grams of yeast is more than enough to ensure a strong and healthy fermentation. Since white sugar contains no nutrients, we must add yeast nutrients to avoid stressed yeast, slow fermentation, and unwanted flavors. Start by dissolving 6 kilograms of sugar in about 6 liters of water. Add the juice of 1 lemon or citric acid. Boil this mixture for about 20 minutes until the sugar is fully dissolved.
Allow the syrup to cool completely to below 20 degrees Celsius, 68 degrees Fahrenheit, before moving to the next step.
Prepare 40 grams of yeast in lukewarm water. Once the yeast becomes active and foamy, add it to the container. Pour the cooled syrup into the fermentation vessel. Add the remaining water, yeast nutrients. Seal the lid and attach the airlock. Fermentation will take approximately 2 to 3 weeks, depending on temperature and yeast performance. Fill the distillation boiler to no more than 2/3 of its capacity and begin distillation. A full, detailed distillation tutorial is available in another video on this channel. Although sugar fermentation does not produce methanol, we discard a small amount of the initial output to clean the condenser. The remaining distillate is collected down to about 20% alcohol. For the second run, dilute the collected alcohol with an equal amount of water and distill again. Discard the initial portion once more, then collect the output in 100 to 200 ml portions. The early and late fractions contain lighter and heavier alcohols. After distillation, smell each container carefully and keep only the clean, pleasant-smelling portions. This is the heart of your vodka. If you want a very clean, neutral vodka, a third distillation is recommended, again keeping only the best portion. If you plan to flavor or infuse your vodka, use the high-proof alcohol collected at this stage. I've covered this process in another video on the channel. Measure the alcohol strength and calculate how much water you need to reach 40-42% ABV using a dilution formula. Add 10 grams of sugar per liter of final vodka. Shake well until dissolved, then let it rest for 1 week with the lid slightly loose. This helps soften the flavor and improve smoothness. After resting, your vodka is ready. Links to some of the equipment and materials are in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out other tutorials on Shon's homemade drinks. See you in the next lesson.